Hey, I'm Scott Pilkington. I've got a couple of LP50s here. I got a high power version and the standard version, and somebody asked me which one makes the most noise, or what's the sound difference between the two, and I said, well, I really hadn't paid attention to it, so we're going to find out. Come on here and let's see what we're doing. So I got a standard LP50 here and the high power version here. And we're going to use the same cylinder on both guns. I got a magazine all loaded up, ready to go. So I'm going to fill this thing up. And we're just going to go. There's 5 shots. And we hear the peacock in the background. I guess he wants to be part of this video too. Let me reload this up real quick. Magazines hold 5 shots each. These are 8.2 grain pellets, standard R10s. And let me put this other cylinder on here real quick. Hear the air releasing. And you can see it's got HP on here for high power. And I'll stick the magazine in, and definitely got a little bit more crack than the standard velocity. This is going out about 680 feet per second. This one's somewhere around 500, a little below right now. But there you have the difference between the two. This is just a little noisier, maybe sounds more like a gun, and this sounds more like foot. Okay, let me sell you one.
My name is Phineaus P. Cocke, and I say buy a gun because I am tired of eating chicken feed.